Recording myself walking at home on 4157 Kiyaka Drive. 96818 Honolulu. Recording myself. As you guys can see, people, Chief of Justice. This is the side of the house. I'm taking down this wall right here. I went planted this dragon fruit back in 2020, I think 2019 I planted this, or 2020. Anyways, yes. I put this was 2008. Taking down the wall. Nah! Mawala-wala na ni. Wala tayo sa ko. Ay, gamit ko muna. Okay, susubli ka. No, Chief of Justice, as you can see, like I said, it's my house. Why would you guys turn me 3 times a false TRO? Because my house has been robbed from the past. That's why. And one CPS false case with the starting a new year, 2026. Like I said, everything has been written down. It's pretty common. I want to try to say, if your house paid up, you get tenants or anything. Where the money going back to the tenants? Is that true? Okay, my parents starting means they've been so different. They're greedy. So I can tell this one with me right now. This is not Betty Bad though. I gotta go United Laundry to get some information about the job history payment. The United Laundry and what's the other one before that? San Alin. Anyways, yep. Mama, should have this before, like limping. I can tell. But I have respect. I just let him stay under my roof, my house. Megang. Tayo mabising ka step. Oh, chubong boy. Another reason why, like I said, I've been asking family to talk to Howard them, Baro, Michelle, they don't want to, so there's something going on. Because I know the siblings are personality good, so anyways, I'll take it to the court. Yeah, I'm in a part of the club now. This is a BNC, Baro Smart Club property. Not gobyerno, not club, not gang. Keep original like Baro.